I accidentally updated my Joomla 3.10 site to Joomla 4 and broke it. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 200. That's right, number 200. Here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. And because this is episode 200, I thought for fun, I would do a $50 giveaway. At some point in this video, I'll tell you how to enter. Don't get too excited. It's $50 Canadian, but still, $50 Canadian is better than a kick in the pants. Anyways, yes, so I accidentally updated my Joomla site. Now, you might be saying, Tim, how could you be so stupid as to accidentally update a Joomla site? Well, if you're wondering how I could do that, you probably have not watched many of the videos on my channel, and you should subscribe so you get notifications of them. So please subscribe, ring the bell to get notifications, and that will be great. And then eventually you'll understand how I do stupid stuff like that. I'm not going to tell you how I did it, but I am going to show you a great way to prevent you from doing it, because there's probably a couple ways that it could happen. So let's turn our attention to the screen. But first, this video is brought to you by mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for your Joomla site. While you're there, check out all the tools and information, which will save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites. Okay, like I said, let's turn our attention to the screen. Now, here we are in the back end of the basicjoomla.com site, and you'll see I've got some extensions to update and whatnot. But if I go to Components and Joomla Update, you'll see that I have the latest 3.10 installed. Now, if you're wondering if your site should, you should update your site to Joomla 4, you need to run the checker tool. And I've already got a bunch of information and videos on the channel for you to check out about that. But in order to run that checker tool, you have to go to Options, and then Update Source, where you're looking for the update channel, and go instead of default, which is 3.10 right now, you're going to go Joomla Next. And then when you save and close, what's going to happen is that you will run this pre-update check. As I mentioned, I have videos on that. While that is running away, let's say, as was the case with me, I was wondering, hey, is this site able to be updated to Joomla 4? So as the scan runs, I check the live update here, and it says, okay, let's see, what do we got here to be worried about? It is looking, look, here the following plugins could cause problems. So I say to myself, Tim, and I know it's me talking because I recognize my name, my voice, sorry, I realized, hey, I can't update the site. So what happened was I went away and left the site. Now look what happens. With this still set to check for the next version, if I go home, currently right now in Joomla 3.10, I'll get a message up at the top that Joomla 4.0.2 is available. Now this is not how I accidentally updated my site, but basically what you want to do to make sure that you or one of your users or your clients or a tool that you're using or whatever it is, whatever your system is for updating sites, if you want to make sure you don't accidentally act on this message, when you come back to your computer or whatever, go back into Components, go to Joomla Update, go up here to Options, and then after you've checked and see that you can't move up to Joomla 4 yet, what you want to do is switch back to the default. Now this is taking a little while because the check is happening. Okay, update channel, go back to default. And now all of your updates and messages for updating Joomla will be related to the default channel, and you won't accidentally update to Joomla 4.0. Okay? I mentioned to give away $50 Canadian. All you have to do is email mm200@cybersalt.com. That's my company, cybersalt.com. I'll get your email, and at some point along the way in the next couple weeks, I don't know how long, I'm going to randomly draw one winner. I'll send you an Amazon gift card, and then I'm just going to delete all your email addresses. I'm not doing anything with them other than using it for this giveaway. So email mm200@cybersalt.com, and maybe you will win $50 Canadian on an Amazon gift card. That's it. Thanks for tuning in today. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Ring the bell to get notifications. And as usual, YouTube is throwing up a whole bunch of things here that it thinks you should watch next. I think that would be great. Go ahead and watch something. And until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.